I'm Wim Zeiler. I'm from the Faculty of Architecture, Building and Planning from the University of Technology in Eindhoven. And my background is in mechanical engineering, and I teach mainly building services, design methodology to architects. So I am really an engineer among architects. One of the areas that I'm really involved in, and I had some presentation during this conference, was the principle about the human in the loop. So we really start thinking about, well, we build buildings for human beings, but somehow we have lost the human. To give you an example, we want to control the comfort needs of in a room, but we put a sensor somewhere in the wall, and we completely ignore the perceived human comfort of the individual. So one of the things I thought, well, when you really want to be sustainable, then the first thing that you have to do is really reduce the demand. And that is really, then you have to make sure what is the demand. So most of the energy in the buildings is going to comfort. So I really thought, what is comfort? And then you start digging, and then we all know the comfort theory of Franger, but that's on the average person. And to be honest, I'm not interested if on average it's okay. As long as I feel discomfortable, then things has to change. And that was my starting point. I said, well, hey, there's something wrong in the way that we look at comfort. So we did an experiment with high resolution infrared cameras, and we just put someone in a room and make that room colder and colder and colder, and we look what's happening. Can we use the human as a sensor for his perceived comfort? And then we saw that especially the temperature of your skin and for your fingers is changing much faster than the rest of your body. So it's the first indicator that you are getting the feeling uncomfortable. So, and unfortunately, it takes around 10 minutes before you definitely realize that you are feeling uncomfortable. So you have some time to react with your systems. And then that gives you a possibility to, well, supply as less energy as possible and still stay within the comfort zone of each individual. So you have a win-win situation. You provide more comfort with less energy. So everyone happy.
Well, how do you feel the topics have been covered at SEB 2012? Do you feel that we've covered lots of things that are relevant to
I especially liked the sessions which I went to for the combination of information comfort, of information communication technology applied in the buildings. So, and there were, I think, quite good presentations, and on average between nearly 20 persons in these sessions, and so that I think is quite successful.